Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can filter your Kanban boards on Jira. So let us dive right into it. So you can create custom filters and apply these to your Kanban boards on Jira. It is very simple, guys. So let us show you how to do it. Head over to your account on Jira. And what you want to do is select the project you would like to edit and customize. So let me go with that Team Kanban here. And the easiest way, guys, to apply a custom filter would be to access the backlog view of your Kanban. So to do that, click into backlog as your view. If you don't see backlog as an available view yet, don't worry, you can enable these by clicking into that plus button here, add to navigation, and select backlog from that list. As you can see, I can't do that because I have already added it, but you will be able to add it from that list and by clicking into add to navigation here. So once inside your backlog view, guys, all you will need to do is click into these three dots here in the top right and select manage custom filters. And here, guys, you will be given access to all custom filters you have created and apply these to your Kanban board listed below. So as you can see, I created already this one here. So if I click into these three dots here, I will be given the opportunity to edit this one or to delete it. You may create a custom filter if you like, guys, by clicking into this button, name it here, describe it, enter your filter query here, like for example, status equals done. It's just an example. Confirm by clicking on create here. And that is going to create the filter so that you may now apply it within your Kanban board, for example. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. For example, guys, if I click into custom filters here at the top, next to the given issue type, you will be given the opportunity to select and to apply one of your created custom filters for your Kanban board, like this one here, or create new ones by clicking into manage custom filters there. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.